Discover Podcasting, a STEAM enrichment program for grades 6 through 12, is designed to serve up to 5 groups of students at a time. Inside the box, you'll find an intro letter, which includes a detailed unpacking list. You'll also find a digital resource license key with instructions on how to claim your digital curriculum and software licenses. Soundtrap for Education account setup may take up to 3 weeks, so it's best to send in your key right away. Your Discover Podcasting program includes a comprehensive instructor guide that makes it easy for educators of any experience level to prepare for each lesson. Each activity includes a daily prep section and scripted lesson plans. Additionally, you'll receive everything your learners will need to complete the activities. Sticky notes, pencils, and sharpeners are included, in addition to a recording station for each group. Each group recording station includes microphones with sound dampening shields, headphones, headphone splitters, and printed student notebook for each student. In addition to these supplies, educators will need to provide one internet-connected device per student with a USB port. For more information about this career-focused program, visit Edventures.com or give us a call to connect with a STEM program expert.